All right, everyone, I wanted to show you some results of one of my members, Kenny, who joined my trading team. He's actually brand new to trading, never traded before, and he was just following the trades when I did the last trading challenge in November 2023. Kenny started with a trading balance, as you can clearly see here, where it says balance £260 on the 4th of November. By November the 16th, he grew his account to £12,000. And then by November the 20th, he grew it to £16,000 by following my trades. Now, what's so powerful about Kenny is that he'd never traded and he simply just joined. He had 250 and he was trading alongside me. And I trade in crypto, stocks, commodities, and currencies. I was just sending the trades to the members and I was educating them at the same time. So I was giving them updates on why I'm taking the trades with videos, live webinars, live stream trading sessions. He got a free Forex video course. And when he was unsure about certain things, he could message my membership support team. So if you're interested in trading, you're thinking about investing, then you should come and join my server on the 30-day free trial. It's really easy. All you got to do is click the link below this video, message my team, and I'll give you some more information. And hopefully, I'll be training with you soon.